This is your sheet metal production plant and your employees running the production process. You already know that you can network these systems, but frequently it doesn't work for all the machines. Complete automation? No way, and certainly not across multiple production plants. It's both time and labor intensive. And there's no efficient way to save material either. WiCAM offers you a complete package. Our software collects CAD data while simultaneously exchanging data with your PPS or ERP system, directly controlling production and optimizing the utilization of materials. You can switch machines with a simple mouse click. This is independent of your local software and machines. We can handle anything. We can even seamlessly integrate your webshop so that you can accept bulk orders in a matter of seconds. Contact us now for a personal consultation and automate your production processes.